Ayaw ko mag-open ng mga pultahan. Ayaw ko mag-open ng door na walang may suddenly kakatok and then wala akong appointment, wala akong pinapunta. Yun, hindi ako dali-daling mag-open ng pinto. So, yun yung ano ko. At yun. Umalis sila dalawang lalaki. Yung look ko. Tingnan yung mukha ko. Umalis dalawang lalaki. So kaya close agad yung ano. Kasi kapag dito kasi guys, ayaw ko mag-open ng mga pinto talaga. Kapag may mga kumakatok, kahit mga anik pa yan. Basta alam ko hindi ako tumatawag para may magpunta dito or may mag-fix something. Or wala kaming package na kailangan kong mag-sign. Wala. So kaya hindi talaga ako mag-open. So buti na lang nakaupo ako doon sa couch. Nakaupo ako sa couch, ganun agad. Nakaganon agad ako, guys. Ganun agad ako. Nakatago agad ako kasi ayaw ko talagang magano. May sasakyan doon sa driveway. Alam ko saan sila nagpark. Doon sa pinaka-entrance ng driveway namin. Nagtataka ako kung bakit doon sila nagpark. Hindi dito lagi. Yun, alam nyo naman yung driveway namin pasaka pa. Mahaba ba? So, doon sila sa pinaka-entrance talaga ng aming driveway. Nagtataka ko, kung gusto nilang magpunta dito, ganun, ba't hindi sila nag-drive dito sa aming ibabaw ng driveway? So, nagtataka ako. So, for sure, hindi yun sila masamang tao. I think, yun sila, Iglesia ni Cristo. Kasi meron din dito mga Iglesia ni Cristo kasi din. So, pero, for my safety, hindi talaga ako mag-open. As in talaga, kapag hindi ko kilala. Unless, kung kapitbahay namin si kasi paminsan mag-knock kapag may mga kailangan ganun. So yun yung kapitbahay namin. Pero pag wala, ayaw ko talagang mag-open. Bahala na si Batman. Bahala talaga. Kasi delikado. Alam nyo, basta saya kaya yun siya. And then ngayon, relax muna ako kasi parang, and then yun, may TV ako pero quiet. Quiet yung TV, nakamute yung TV. Bye guys.
What's up, guys? We're looking to see what my wife, she loves this restaurant, this Colombian restaurant. So we're looking to see what it is she wants from here. She likes their funny looking fishes. This one's tilapia, so that's not it.
Is that tilapia?
This one?
The flown, the thing I want.
Fried red tilapia.
The other one.
Fried red snapper.
Snapper, that's it. Okay, but guys, so this is it. Ayaw kong mag-order. Pero sabi niya, gusto daw niya akong masaya. Sabi ko, kung gusto mo akong masaya, isda na lang. Kasi leftover kami palagi. So, anuhin niya na ako ng isda. Bibilhan niya ako ng isda. And dito sa Colombian restaurant.
So you enjoy this food, so you should have it.
Oh, and even,
they even do breakfast. Look at this. Huevos rancheros.
Do you have breakfast?
Yeah.
Oh. It's nice probably to sit over there, huh?
Yeah, it was crowded last time I went in to get food, so.
Yeah. So guys, ang bait ni Mister. Sabi ko, nabuburyo kasi ako sa dami ng leftover. Ang leftover kasi dito is steak, chicken parm, and also, how do you call this? Burger. We have burger here.
Right. Here's the side dishes that you want. Okay, here's the side dishes. This is what you want, the Maduros. The fried sweet bananas, plantains.
Is that Maduros?
Yeah, or they get the fried green plantains.
No, red,
Sweet.
Sweet.
Okay. Then they got French fries. You could order that for me. French fries.
Okay.
They got white rice. They got red beans.
White rice.
Potato with onion sauce. And fried yuca.
What is yuca?
Oh, and they got avocados and steamed vegetables.
Yay! Thank you, baby boy. Thank you for the order. Thank you, baby boy. Oh my goodness, look how good my baby. So, ito na yung in-order ng mister ko. Oh my God, ang bango guys. Snapper na isda guys. Ang bango. Ang haba-haba. Look, oh. Oh my goodness, look. Ipakita ko to sa inyo. Mamadya. There's no sauce. They don't send any sauce. No. Ang laki. Look. Isda is life. Look, oh. isda. Ang bango. Ang bango, ang bango. Kain tayo, guys. Fish, guys. Kain tayo. Han, do you wanna try?
No.
How about the fish head? Sarap nito. Thank you, B-boy. Guys, alam nyo, masarap ito. Pero kapag iniisip ko yung Pilipinas, na yung iba yung isda presko, bahala na. Malayo ako sa Pilipinas. Kaya ito na lang. For sure, itong mga isda dito is ano, mga injected. Pero, if I keep thinking about that, I won't able to eat anything, right, love? Kapag andito ka sa Amerika, lahat mga ano, hindi katulad sa Pinas na ano, walang halong mga ano kapag nandun ka sa province. What's these people doing, eh?
That's what people do. What was in the black thing?
That's it.
That's the sauce?
No, I have my sauce and they only have a tomato. I think that's what I pick, Han. The tomato and onion, that's it.
You picked the hot sauce.
I did hot sauce, right? There's no sauce. Sarap. Yung plantain. Sarap yung plantain. Parang yung maruya, guys. Sarap, maruya. My husband is having leftover steak. Are you happy with your steak? He is happy.
So your daughter.
Don't give your steak to them. They eat, Han.
What's he?
Ang sarap eh. Yung ano ko is, yung suka ko is ano, sukang gabi. Ito ba? Mamamatay na itong camera, guys. Salamat sa inyong panonood, ha? Ang swerte ko kay Mister. Thank you, love, again. It's so good.
Where's your son?
Oh, yeah.
No, you just stand there and stare if you want.
Sarap. Let's dinner, guys. Meron pa tayong ulamin bukas.
That's obvious.
Hello, Roxy! That's for your brother? Oh my god, you're starting already, hon. And then I stop her.
I was just standing over there.
Okay, go ahead, it's okay. Okay, go ahead. It's okay. Go ahead, it's okay. No, she listens though. She listens. Go ahead na, it's okay na. Go ahead, it's okay. Go ahead. Of course. That's it, hon. That's it, hon. Can you please eat?
Last.
Ganito si Tami, guys. Kapag kumakain kami, halos lahat ng pagkain niya ibigay sa mga aso. Aso at pusa. I'm not sure.
You either eat this or Roxy gets it.
It's okay, let's eat it. Your brother won't eat it. Sarap. Na guys.
Last.